let's have some text. So let's try again. So insert online picture. So let's get something simple. Car. Okay, I want to use this car. Yeah, it came nice. So, but you can see it's slightly small photograph. So I'll drag from the corner to make it look. Now, I don't want any of this background, assuming you don't want it. So, so when you click over here, there's a this format option is there. In that one, there's a remove background is there. So this one you can give it a try, remove background. And you can see it's working partially. Let's drag this line speed, but not 100% accurate. You know, these parts will be removed, but some parts will be there. So what I can do is I can mark the parts to be keep and parts to be removed. So there's option mark area to remove. So I want to delete the mark. Okay, I click on this here because you know it's delete the tire of the car. So I just draw it like this. Let's try it again. Okay, this one. Sorry, this one. Click over here. This pen, I draw it like this. Say. Okay, this again. Let's draw it like this. Right. So I want to keep the buffer also of the car. So I'll draw like this, and buffer also came. So basically, okay, but I don't want this area. So marks the areas to remove. So I'll just draw it like this, and draw like this again. There's a small part I want to remove. That's also go. Then I can say keep changes. But you see something went wrong. This part is missing. So always you can go back. So I need to again mark areas to keep. Yeah, now it seems to be okay. There's some part also. Right. So basically, okay, keep changes. So like that. So it's not 100% okay, but if you're a bit more patient, you can do it nicely. Right. So so you can get rid of the background using that tool. Then the next thing is the position of the image. So you don't need these empty areas. So what you can do is click on a format menu and click on a crop, and you can get rid of this area. Although it's white, but you don't want it like that. Then this thing is position, text, car, and the text. But let's say we want to merge everything together. So click on a car and click on this horseshoe sign or sign over here in the format menu. Click on this one. Select square option. Now you can move the car with the text. Right? The wrap text, there is another option called type. So there are some other options, top and bottom, behind, in front of it, in front of the text. So, but most of the time we have type and square will do. If you select type or square, you would be able to move the car without any problems in any position you want. Then there's another thing you can do. Let's say you want to have something like side by side, your picture and your text. Other option you can do is you can have a table insert a table. So I will insert table with two columns and let's say 3 rows, something like this. So in this location, I'll go to insert a picture. Okay, let's have Mr. B. Okay, it's way too large, so take this, I can zoom out. Like this. I have one picture. And here also I need to have another picture. Right? Go to insert a picture. So Sam Malinga. Same size pictures. Right, so that one I'll keep like that. So then I can change this one size, and then I can have some text in side by side. I can just cut this text over here and paste it here and paste some text over here. So same thing, sometimes we can do better using a table. Now you can see the table's borders are displayed. Now if you don't want to see the borders, what you can do is you can click over here and you can see there's a border properties. You can say no border. So you'll have something like this. But if you want it, you can right click over here again. You can have some shading. Nice shading, light color. Here also right click. Right click. In design tag also shading is there. So I have different shading here. And these two columns also, if I want it, I can select it, have different shading. Like this. So you can arrange things using wrap text position, format menu, this option, or using a table.